Welcome to MidLearner. Know about yourself. In this video, we'll be discussing about KSET 2017 Life Science Paper 2 Solved Solutions Part 2. Membrane around the vacuole is tonoplast, amyloplast, cytoplast, helioplast. Answer is option A, tonoplast. Tonoplast is a cytoplasmic membrane around the vacuole. Amyloplast, it is a cell organelle-like plastid that produces and stores starch. Cytoplast, the cell membrane along with the cytoplasm but without nucleus. Helioplast, it is a type of a leucoplast which synthesizes and stores the fatty acid, terpenes and other lipids. Passer domesticus Linnaeus 1758, where Linnaeus in parenthesis indicates that Statement A, genus of the species has been changed. Statement B, Linnaeus is the second authority. Statement C, Linnaeus is the first authority. Statement D, Linnaeus is not the authority. Option A, statement A and B are correct. Option B, statement B and C are correct. Option C, C and D statements are correct. Option D, statement A and C are correct. Answer is option D, that is A and C statements are correct. Here the passer indicates genus, domesticus indicates species, Linnaeus indicates the first authority of the Linnaeus, and it also shows the genus has been changed. Leg hemoglobin in legume root nodules regulates oxygen supply, nodule growth, dinitrogenase activity, expression of NEF genes. Answer is option A, oxygen supply. Here, the leg hemoglobin, also called legoglobin, is an oxygen carrier and heme protein found in the nitrogen-fixing root nodules of leguminous plants. The root nodule is a selective symbiote between the legumes and leguminous bacteria. Nodule formation is regulated by chemical signals between plants and microbes. Dinitrogenase is an enzyme which catalyzes the reduction of nitrogen to ammonium. Because the nitrogen fixation is an energy demanding process, it is tightly regulated in response to several environmental factors. Expression of NIF genes. The NIF genes are the genes encoding for the enzyme involved in the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. NTRC triggers NIF-A expression and NIF-A activates the NIF genes. Identify the correct statement with reference to apoptosis. Option A, it does not lead to the elimination of cells. Option B, it's a process of programmed cell death that occurs in multicellular organisms. Option C, the process of apoptosis is not blocked in cancer cells. Option D, it occurs only in animal cell. Answer is option B, it's a process of programmed cell death that occurs in multicellular organisms. Here, it leads the elimination of cells. So that's why option A, you can't take it as an answer. And when it comes in option C, here the apoptosis can block the cancer cell, hence it plays an important role in the treatment of a cancer cells, and it occurs in both plant and animal cells. The set of hormones produced by the pancreas is insulin and secretin, insulin and gastrin, insulin and glucagon, glucagon and cholecystokinin. Answer is option C, insulin and glucagon. Here in the pancreas, we are going to find the endocrine gland called as islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans will produce insulin, glucagon, somatostatin, and pancreatic polypeptide hormones. Gastrointestinal tract produces secretin, gastrin, and cholecystokinin. Identify the correct statement with reference to commensalism. Option A, both organisms benefit from each other. Option B, one is harmed and the other is unaffected. Option C, one is benefited from the other without affecting it. Option D, one is benefited while the other is harmed. Answer is option C. Commensalism means one organism is benefited from the other without affecting it. Mutualism refers to in which both the organisms benefit from each other. Amensalism, one is harmed and the other is unaffected. Commensalism, one is benefited from the other without affecting it. While parasitism, one is benefited while the other is harmed. Epinephrine is made from tryptophan, threonine, tyrosine, aspartic acid. Answer is option C, tyrosine. Epinephrine is also called adrenaline and it is derived from tyrosine amino acid. Serotonin is made from tryptophan. Aspartic acid is used to synthesize threonine. Arrest of replication 4 at TER site requires the action of RNA polymerase, DNA polymerase, TUS protein, or IC protein. Answer is option C, TUS protein. Here, the TUS protein refers for terminus utilization substance and it acts as a counter helicase enzyme which halts the DNA polymerase movement and ends the DNA replication at TER site. ORIC protein is the substance that simulates the enzymatic replication of duplex DNAs of recombinant phages and plasmids. RNA polymerase is an enzyme that catalyzes the process of transcription where an RNA polymer is synthesized from a DNA template. DNA polymerase is an important enzyme group involved in DNA synthesis, repair and replication. Heterosis is appearance of spontaneous mutations, induction of mutations, mixture of two or more traits, superiority of hybrids over their parents. Here the answer is option D, superiority of hybrids over their parents. Heterosis is also called hybrid vigor, the increase in the characteristics such as a size, growth rate, fertility, and yield of a hybrid organism over those of its parents. The size of human mitochondrial DNA is option A 30 kb, option B 10 MB, option C 16 kb, option D 20 kb. Here the answer is option C 16 kb. The human mitochondrial DNA is a double-stranded circular molecule which is made up of 16,569 base pairs and it contains 37 genes coding for 2 rRNAs, 22 tRNAs and 30 polypeptides. Thank you. For more videos of solution and theory, kindly follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Scan to follow us on Instagram.